Hi guys, welcome back to RT Share Tea, where respiratory therapists live out loud. With me, your host, Linda Fry, the Asthma Lady. Yes, welcome back, and thank you for everybody who's been giving great feedback on the YouTube channel and on our Spotify content, and know that we are growing together. Okay, guys. So, usually I have a well thought out episode, but today I'm going straight off the dome. As you can see, I am dressed to go to the gym. It's getting nice outside, and I still have to drop this baby weight. So today, this episode is gonna be real short and to the point. We're talking about spring cleaning and boxes, and what exactly do I mean by that? Okay, um, and this is just to continue off the rest of the episodes that's been dealing with spring cleaning and asthma triggers. All right. So, but before we talk about that, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to us on Google Podcasts and on YouTube. We are on Google Podcasts on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. and we are on YouTube on Thursdays, usually by 7. But don't hold me to that. So yes, please. All right, guys. So, and I have some treats for you guys. Okay. So, May is Asthma Awareness Month. So, in spirit of Asthma Awareness Month, we have one free CEU for those that are asthma educators and those that are respiratory therapists interested in asthma education. We have one free CEU from coming from the AARC on the 24/7 at intensivecareonline.com. So you're getting asthma education with passion from a speaker called Linda Nozart. All right, so I'm gonna be dropping some knowledge on May 3rd at 12 p.m. Okay, so that's one free CEU from 24x7 at intensive care online, one word.com. Okay, May 3rd at 12 p.m. Look out for it. All right, good stuff. And your girl is busy. Okay, I'm also going to be at QHC seminars, pulmonary function and therapeutic update webinar, May 21st, 2022. It is 8 CEUs or CRCEs for the price of $109.99 from 9 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. from home. Okay, is 8 CEUs from home for $109.99. It's a good price. I mean, you're gonna have some good speakers. I'll be there. All right. And yeah, invest in yourself. I always say that, you need these CEUs, get them from a good place, and these are AARC CEUs. So they count. All right, guys. So, anyway, that's that. All right. So, we are talking about spring cleaning and boxes. Okay. So, a lot of patients don't understand that boxes attract bugs. Okay? So, when I'm talking about boxes, I'm talking about your cereal boxes. I'm talking about your Amazon boxes. I'm talking about boxes that come from the groceries. I'm talking about boxes. So, when you have a patient or you're guiding somebody in relations to asthma triggers that in the home and home assessment, and you see a lot of boxes, this may be a red flag if they are dealing with pests or dust, because these things attract. So boxes attract dust and bugs. You understand? So when I say bugs, I mean like roaches. You understand what I'm saying? I mean like just mice, because the box has, most likely you're gonna have stuff in the box, right? and they are attracted. They want to chew on these things. So the recommendation is to get rid of the boxes. And now this is hard too, because like someone like me, um I get a lot of boxes because I am an Amazon shopper. I am one of those chronic Amazon shoppers. And if I think it, I shall order it. Okay, so I'm one of those, and I got plenty of boxes. And what I do is I just stick them on the corner somewhere to remind myself to get rid of them. All right. So tell your patients the same, to get rid of these boxes if possible. Okay, boom. What do you tell them to replace the boxes with? Clear bins. Once again, clear bins, preferably with a lid. Okay, you could go to Target, you could go to Walmart. These places have affordable bins, or even the 99-cent store. Well, we don't have 99-cent stores anymore, but Dollar Tree, $1.25 or whatever, they have clear bins. They're the smaller ones, but they're stackable, right? And the reason why we go for clear is because we want folks to be able to see what they have. So remember, when you can't see what you have, you keep buying the same thing over and over and over again because you can't see. You understand? So that's the point. We want you to take them out of the boxes. Boom. Your cereal. Now, this is a hard one because I know kids are attached to their cereal and they want to see the box. Well, what you can do is, and I saw this, there's a show on Netflix. I forgot their name. The home editing or home organizing. I don't know, but they're really good at organizing pantries, and they have a color code system. When I get the name, I'll remember it for the next episode. All right. So boom, what you can do is you can cut out the characters of the cereal box and just double-sided tape or a little glue gun and tape that onto a cereal clear bin. So they have the bins that you can pour the cereal in, and yeah, and you will see right there, and the kids will see that this is Cocoa Puffs or whatever the kids are eating, Tricks. I don't know what the kids are eating nowadays. So that stuff. Pet food. Okay. Little Max or Fifi and them, cat dog food. You can put also in these bins, that you can pour. All right. So remember these boxes. And when I talk about boxes, I'm talking about all boxes, all, and newspaper too. I don't know if people still keep newspapers and these things. You do not just want them stacked up somewhere. Get rid of them if possible, right? All boxes, small boxes, big boxes. All right. Go for the clear bins. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. And I hope you learned something from me today. And I hope that you're able to share the tip with somebody else that has asthma or asthma triggers. We will talk about the next episode. We will talk about something very stimulating and might have your skin crawling, and we're gonna talk about pests. So that might be a few episodes to break them down on what to do and how to guide a patient on how to remediate these problems. So we're gonna talk about that. But the boxes, that helps to tame this problem. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you so much. And remember, sharing is caring. So if you know this tip will help anybody, or if you know this video, somebody needs to hear it, please share, like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys. So thank you once again. We here every Wednesday on what did I say now? On the podcast, on Google Podcast, and we're here on Thursday on YouTube. And yes, I will see you next week, guys. And remember to invest in yourself and to only compete with yesterday's version of you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.